As we dive into our severe weather season, let's go over some of the terminology. A watch means that you need to be prepared. It means that conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorm or tornadic activity. Now, a warning, that means you need to take action now. That is either a severe thunderstorm or a tornado has been spotted either by spotters or by radar. Now that we've got the terminology down, let's go ahead and discuss exactly how a tornado forms right here in our studio. Now you need several different ingredients, just like the atmosphere does, to create the perfect storm. First, we're going to have available moisture, indicated by our bowl of water. You also have to have an updraft. Those are the strong winds that will help to lift the rotating column of air, typically associated along a cold front or a warm front during the springtime. That's going to act as our fan atop of our box. That's going to contain our tornado. But we also need to do a little bit of a science experiment here. I'm going to be using dry ice, so got to put on a glove, safety first. And what that's going to help us indicate is the debris that remains on the ground. Now, a funnel cloud doesn't actually become a tornado until you start to see debris swirl along the surface. That's when that air column has strengthened enough to reach from the top of the cloud or the base of the cloud down to the ground. So as we go ahead and put our little dry ice in there, we start to create what is our debris on the ground. And when all of these ingredients come together, we start to see that it will pile up on the ground, and then you have to get the strong updraft. And when it does that, it again is picking up that column of air. So we'll go ahead and flip on our updraft here. And all of these ingredients have to be in place at the precise time to be able to create the perfect tornado. And if you lose the updraft for any moment in time, the tornado will quickly fall apart. So conditions have to be spot on. And we typically here in the Pacific Northwest don't see the perfect amount of ingredients to be able to create a tornado like we're doing right here in our KVAL studio.